Hi guys, today we will discuss about basic English. Before I will start the topic, I want to ask about you that how are you dears, and I hope you will be fine and feeling well. Now I'm coming to the topic. So basic English today our topic, and here first of all I want to discuss about the alphabets. We have vowels and consonant in alphabets. The first one we have A, which is a vowel, and the B is a consonant, and C is also a consonant, and D is also same like the C, which is consonant. Now I am coming to the E. So the E we have, this is the vowel. Ip is a consonant, G is a consonant, H is a consonant, and the I is a vowel. Now we have J, so the J is a consonant. K, L, M, N. This all is consonant. Now we are coming to the O. So the O, we have this one is vowel. And P, Q, R, S, T, we have a consonant. Now, which come next, this is a vowel, which is U. So U as a basically a vowel. And V is a consonant, W is a consonant, and X is a consonant. And now I'm coming to the Y. So the Y is also a vowel or a consonant, but in some time we can say here this is a vowel. So we are called to Y a special vowel, and the Z we have a consonant. So now I am coming to the next one, which we have written here. All English words has vowel. All English word has vowel, maybe one vowel or more. So we are discuss about the vowel in words. So we have a cat. So here we see here this is A in this word cat, egg, hit, top, and the last one is cut. So now in these all words we have and one vowel here, which is A, E, I, O, U. So this is the vowel. And the next one, in the other side, I have written here that is Y, bicycle, pretty, U, and yes. So here you will see that we have here Y. So Y, this is given us E sound, which is a vowel sound, va, a, va, a. So E sound here, it's give us. So here this is a vowel. And another example, bicycle. So bicycle is E sound, again it's give us E sound. So this E sound is called vowel. So here the Y is also vowel. Another we have pretty. So pretty, in the end of pretty word we have Y. So this give us a sound I, pretty. So I sound it's give us. So here we can say this is a vowel. Now I have two words which is you and yes. So remember these things, that when the word start from you, which give us the y sound, the y give us the y sound. So this is not a vowel sound, so we can say here this is a consonant. U, it's give us a y sound. And another we have yes. So in yes, the start y give us the y sound. So this is called consonant y. Now I am coming to the next topic, which is a and n plus noun. Where a and n will be right before noun. So this is a very important. You listen here and you note this. A noun is person, place, or thing. You know the definition of the noun, that is, the noun is the name of the person, place, things, and animals, etc. So here I want to discuss about the a and n before noun, in which time we will write a, in which uh, time we will write n before noun. Here we have banana. So the banana is a word which is start from the first letter, which is B, and the B is a consonant. So we will write before the consonant letter in the word A. And the next one we have apple. So in the apple, the first letter in this word we have A, which is vowel. So before the word which is start from the vowel letter, there we will be write n before that word. Next one we have a cat. So cat is also start from the C, and C is consonant. So we will write before this word A. And another example we have boy. So the boy is also start from the B, which is consonant, and we will write before the boy A. Now I am coming to the second last example, which is egg. So egg, the word egg is start from the first letter E, which is consonant, which is a vowel. So here we will write n before this noun. And another we have example which is last, and this is the aunt. So aunt is a word which first letter is vowel. So here we will write before the aunt n. You should to remember that I will tell you again about noun, that a noun is the name of person, place, things, and animals. So you should to keep in mind the definition of noun, basic, which is basic definition. So now we have some more example about this, that where we will be write a and where we will be write n. So we have book. Book we are using for which purpose? We book are using for the reading. So we read a book, right? And we have book start letter, which is consonant. So that's why I have right here a before the noun. And another example, we have a park. So we go to park, to a park. We go to a park. So why I write here a before the noun park? So this noun is start from the very first letter, which is P. The P is consonant. So that's why I have right here before the noun a. Umbrella. Another example, we have an umbrella. So umbrella. Now you will be able to write here before this noun a word a or n. So here you will be write n, because the starting letter of the umbrella u, which is vowel, so that's why we will write before u n. Umbrella, where you will use the umbrella? So we will use the umbrella in rainy days, and which is protect us from the rain. Now we have elephant. So elephant is also a noun, which is animal, and the starting letter of the elephant is e, which is e is a vowel. So we will write here before this noun n. We can write here that this is an elephant. Now we have a doctor. So doctor, which is known from its name that D is starting word letter of this word, which is consonant. So before this noun we will write here a. So he is we can say that he is a doctor. Now we have the last example, that is orange. Orange basically is a thing, and O is a starting letter of the word orange. So O is a vowel. So here we will be right before the vowel is N. And we can say I eat an orange. I eat an orange. So this is the examples of the noun before, where we will be write a before noun, and where we will be write n before noun. Now I am coming to the next one, which is singular and plural noun. So the singular and plural noun means that first I am coming to the singular noun, which is mean that one. Singular mean is one, and the plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. So now first I will talk about the singular noun. So in singular noun we will write before the noun a and n. We will put before the noun a, or sometime we will put the before the noun n. So now I am discussing here a ring. So this is a single ring. So and starting letter of this word is R, which is consonant. So that's why I have written here A. And now we have another, which is dog. So dog start letter is D. So here we will be write also which is because the D is consonant. Another example we have teacher. I am talking about here the singular noun. I am differentiating here A and A. What is the difference between how I will be write here before the noun A and before the noun N. So I am discussing here that point. So here is a teacher which is single, so and the starting letter of the noun teacher is T, which is consonant. So we will be write here A. Now these two is and these two is starting from the letter A and E, which is vowel. So that's why we have apple. So apple is start from A, which is vowel, where we will write here and egg we also here write N. Now I'm coming to the plural noun. So the plural noun, how you will be know about the plural noun. So we have to put s or es with plural noun. This is a point you should to know about this. We have two rings, which is more than one. This was the definition of plural noun. So there is two, so this will be a plural noun, and I have put here s. So now I am coming to the next, which is dog. So here is three dogs. So you can't say here that this is three dog, because this will be not considered as a plural noun. So when you increase s here, so this will be a complete plural noun. And we have another is teacher, poor teachers. So I have increased here is as well. We have another example which is 5 apple. So also I have increased is here, and we have another example 6 eggs. So already I have right here is. Now I will come that where we will write es in the next lecture. Thank you so much for being here with me, and please वीडियो को पूरा वॉच किया करें, and because of that you will miss the some points, so you will don't understand about that whole lecture. So when you will keep touch with me, so you will better understand about the lecture.